Hello, friends. Glad to see you here, and I hope you're doing well. So, this time in our breakfast series of weight loss diet plan is an innovative and protein packed recipe of pancakes. If you're looking to enjoy pancakes while on your weight loss therapy, then this one is for you. It's made with high protein and is, of course, delicious and supportive for a weight loss diet. Check out the recipe and let us know how you like it. The base ingredient for this pancake recipe is an avocado, which we know are good sources of healthy fats that help to curb your appetite and prevent overeating and thereby keep you full for a longer time. This recipe easily makes about 4 to 5 pancakes of standard size, so you can adjust the measurements as per your requirements. Take hold of the ripe avocado and simply prep them and then drop them to a blender jar. Now, next in line is the Greek yogurt. You can replace it with hung curd as well. Again, I love to add fresh cream, which you can easily replace with any vegan milk of your choice. Then comes the whole wheat flour. And for making it extra rich, I'm adding almond flour. Add salt as per your taste. And lastly, some evaporated milk, or the plain milk also works well. Now, we are simply left with blending the whole ingredients to a smooth batter, such that we get a creamy kind of consistency for the batter that is suited for making pancakes. More details about the ingredients used with measurements and their impact on weight loss is available in our website. And there's a link to the website in the description below. Do check it out and see if it's informative to you. Finally, this is how the batter looks. It's blend well and perfect for making pancakes. So let's proceed to make the hot pancakes. Heat a skillet to medium heat and then spread the batter and make pancakes. See, you can prep this batter and save it in the refrigerator for 1 day and make pancakes as required. Keep an eye on it and cook evenly on both the sides. With the measurements taken, I could make about 5 pancakes of similar size. So then here's for you the high protein avocado pancakes ready to serve. It's very soft, holds the perfect shape, and delicious too. Even after making these pancakes, you can cool them and then store them in Ziploc bags or airtight containers and then reheat and use for a day or two on your busy schedules. These pancakes are also best to serve for the school-going kids in their tiffin boxes too. I have also shared few other recipes for breakfast ideas which are best suited for weight loss planning. You can find the link to the whole playlist of weight loss recipes in the description below. I believe that it's gonna help you to plan each day of your breakfast with varieties and healthy dishes. Finally, we are done. So let's now serve it in our style. For a healthy breakfast, serve these pancakes with some fresh fruits or maybe some fruit compote and relish. Here I'm using some homemade strawberry compote which is made without added sugars. Now, if you love to see similar healthy recipes and diet plan ideas, then do stay connected with us. And feel free to share with us your ideas too. Thank you for being with us and looking forward to see you again.